I'm gonna do a rosette for short hair, and with short hair you need to use all the material that you have. So I'm gonna start from the bigger side of the parting, from roughly the middle of the parting, so that I can first braid towards the face. So I'm gonna take 3 sections and do a Dutch lace braid. So I move from side to middle, from side to middle, and always on the side of the parting or side of the face I'm adding some hair to the braid. So this is a Dutch lace braid, and first I braid a little bit towards the face and then collect the hair from around the face, and this way I get as strong braid as possible from this hair. So I braid all the way to the end, and then I pancake the left hand side of the braid. So I pull gently from the side upwards and outwards to make 4 or 5 rose petals. So I pull these strands a little bit, and then I braid all the way to the end and try and make the end of the braid as small as possible. So I put an elastic, and also I double it up into a little loop so it's easy to hide. Then I'm taking some more hair from next to the first braid and just making a basic Dutch braid. So I'm gonna move from side to middle and side to middle without any adding of hair, just making a small Dutch braid here to give some more volume to the braid, to the rose. So I'm pancaking the left hand side again, just like in the first braid, and braiding to the end, putting an elastic and doubling it up so that it's easy to hide. And then I roll from the end of the braid and make as big a flower as I can and attach it with a couple of bobby pins. And then I'm going to make it bigger by using the first braid and wrapping it around and hiding the end of the braid underneath the other parts, which is a bit tricky with short hair. But with 2 little braids like this you get quite a big flower, considering that you don't have much material to work with. Put a few bobby pins under the flower to hold it in place. And that's your rosette for short hair.